Hey y'all, Tanny Cooks here, and today I'm going to show you how to make my delicious chicken fried bacon. Yes, this is a deep fried bacon BLT. Bacon, lettuce, tomato, but we are going to bread up this bacon like fried chicken, y'all. It is so delicious. You don't want to miss this recipe. So let's get to cooking. To start, we're going to start with our binder. Here we're using egg, and I'm adding Tony's no salt to the egg because we're going to season every level. And this Kingsford lemon pepper seasoning does have sodium in it. I'm adding garlic powder, and you know onion powder is coming up next. We're going to add these same seasonings to our seasoned flour mixture, flour, cornmeal, and these same seasonings. So just give your egg a mix. And now we're going to get our hot oil started. So I have a skillet and I am adding canola oil to it. You want to be sure you don't overfill it with the oil because as it fries it will bubble up. So we have our bacon and our egg, our flour, and our oil that is heating up. The bacon looks delicious. You can use regular cut or thick cut bacon. You just want to make sure that you cover your bacon carefully in the flour mixture so that it's all coated in order to get the best result. And it's going to be really hard to just do 1 or 2 pieces of bacon, so you might as well go ahead and open up that whole pack of bacon and get it going. So our oil has heated up, so let's add our bacon, and look at that, y'all. Bacon frying just like fried chicken. I'm from the South, so anything that we bread up and season like chicken, we call it chicken fried. So this is chicken fried bacon. It is delicious. The frying adds a delicious flavor. It's extra crispy with a delicious crunch that those of you who like your bacon that way will absolutely love. Look how beautiful and golden it is. It's just a beautiful sight. And there we have it, y'all. This is chicken fried bacon. You just turn it over once to get that beautiful golden color, and voila, you can serve this on a sandwich or just eat it straight with some eggs and pancakes and have a delicious meal. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.